Yo! Rodknocker City crew, brother! Dude! Where the hell's he going? Hey! Okay, he's gonna make me walk all the way to BFE, but Egypt. Dude, you guys see the Chumans over there? That thing's beast. Oh. Where is Caleb? Oh my God. Hey! Wow. Wow. Sideways, dude. Sideways is piss. Don't hit me, don't hit me. Tearing up the grass! Shotgun. Here we go. Spinnies in real quick. Going too fast. $1 for every time I hit a tree.
Hey, be careful right here though.
Whoa! What's he doing?
Freaking idiot. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. I swear it was lighter than that when these airbags went off. Do a donut, see if it stops.
Alright.
Hey, get out of the way!
Get up, watch out. Oh yeah. Perfect.
We got old Kuchmeister out here taking the old Shamans for the ice rep. Says he's gonna do some donies.
Now they're all messed up. He's deafened. He came back. That's Caleb Storm, by the way, dude. He's a man. Justin McCollum over there. I'm Ian Coochie, brother. Shit, I thought I was about to die, dude. Holy